A cat tunnel bed can improve your pet's current circumstance in a simple and reasonable manner. As a spot to play, rest and cooperate with kitties, cat tunnel toys are viewed as a definitive thrill by many pet people. Cat families with different cats might view burrows as particularly fun since they support workout. In any case, cat tunnel are not a one-size-fits-all arrangement. There is a large number of lengths, plans, and materials accessible. A passage toy made of nylon or polyester is likely more reasonable for a functioning kitty. The rich passage, then again, offers your cat a comfortable spot to stow away. There are various shapes and materials accessible for them, including single cylinders, round burrows, and multi-arm burrows. Passages can likewise work as pet beds, which are ideally suited for cats who like to rest during the day. On the off chance that your cat doesn't take to his new toy immediately, be encouraged. Your kitty may very well need a brief period to become accustomed to it. Giving delicate consolation, similar to treats, will assist him with considering the tunnel to be a positive expansion to his current circumstance. Hello my friends. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I recommend best cat tunnel beds. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the PAWSROOM brand. Cat Tunnel's nest is made of plush material, soft and skin-friendly, more warm and breathable for pet rest and relaxing. The cat tunnel bed has a large size with internal steel wire structure, non-slip bottom, suitable for cats and other medium and large pets. Foldable and detachable pet tunnels bed is a toy-in bed, lightweight and compact, is convenient to carry out and storage for saving so much space. The cat tunnel bed with 2 peepholes and suspended balls, used as both a pet nest and a toy. Cat Tunnel's nest is made of plush material, soft and skin-friendly, more warm and breathable. You can shape the cat tunnel bed into any shape you like for cat funny. Assembly is simple, strong steel frame, both ends are equipped with protective devices, safe and reliable. Lightweight and compact pet tun nest is convenient to carry out and storage for saving so much space. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. We continue with the number 4 that is part of the Jiashi brand. Double-layer composite donut, circle design, to meet the needs and desires of cats to drill holes to play, can bring unlimited fun to cats. Dome concave design allows another cat to rest, 2 can be used at the same time, do not disturb each other. The cat tunnel bed is made of selected felt material, which is wear-resistant, scratch-resistant, and will not get fluffy balls to meet the cat's daily scratching and rubbing nature. A cat bed that can be used in all seasons. The cat tunnel bed measures 24 inches * 24 inches * 11 inches, the tunnel entrance is 7 inches in height, and the tunnel interior space is 11 inches in height, plus an extra large 11-inch round concave top resting area for cats and other animals up to 20 pounds. You can clean every corner inside the tunnel, so that cats have a clean and comfortable playing environment. The simple assembly method allows us to handle the cats more easily. Because of the circular shape adds novelty and has more places to hide, it will be the best choice to your friend who own cats, small dogs, kittens, mother-in-law's kitty, rabbits, and other small animal. Number 3 in our top is from the PAWZ Road brand. Different from normal S-shape or T-shape tunnel, this cat bed tunnel consists of 2 semicircular tunnels and a round soft mat. Turned into a circular or S-shaped, it can meet kittens' various play desire, and the mat in the middle is designed for cats to rest and sleep. Of course, all these 3 pieces can be unzipped separately if you want. It features an integrated peephole that allows pets to see out and view the outdoors, making it an awesome location to hide and stalk from. Besides, the play tunnel-equipped hanging ball at the entrance add more way to a fun that brings hours and hours exercise and self-amusement as baiting and swatting. The cat tunnel is made out of soft lining that crinkles too, which will attract your kittens when they play in it. And the round cushion mat is filled with soft and warm cotton for cats to rest and sleep without disturbance. The whole tunnel is durable enough for your small kittens and dogs to chase and play in. This donut cat tunnel consists of 2 semicircular tunnels and a pet mattress. Rope buckles and zippers are used at the joint for easy removal and installation. It pops up seconds and folds down into small item that is super easy to carry in storage. Number 2 in our top is from the HIPIPET brand. HIPIPET cat tunnel provide your cat a cozy space to play, relax, and rest in rooms, ideal for multiple cats to play together, the perfect combination of toy tunnel and cat bed. The toys at the entrance of the tunnel or the bells on the curtain meet the fun of the cats playing. The foldable tunnel tube and removable and washable mat bed is easy to store and carry. HIPIPET cat tunnel bed surface is made up of canvas for scratch-resistant and snooze-worthy. Baguette-like sleeping bed with comfortable stuffing and tent provide your cat sense of security. This tunnel is the best choice for cat lovers, and for friends who own other small animals. The number 1 product is part of the gogomg brand. The tunnel tube is made of flannel fabric wrapped with steel springs. It has no sharp edges, but the structure is strong and powerful, very sturdy and durable. The round cushion is made of flannel fabric wrapped in a thick soft padding, which is soft and comfortable to the touch. The amusing stick in the set allows the owner to participate in the game. The toy adopts a detachable and foldable design. Its various parts can be folded at will, after finishing only the cushion size, to meet the needs of seasonal storage and carry out. The toys-free combination form 3 different ways to play. The tunnel tube and round cushion are designed with the cat's habits in mind, allowing it to chase, roll, scratch, hide and rest. The toys-free combination makes one toy available for multiple pets to play at the same time, fully saving space. Which cat tunnel bed would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time. Goodbye.